What's going on?
Stars. That's right.
Poetic line. Where silence outshines the stars. John, here we are again. This time it's called Fable 5.
We live in a crazy world.
Yeah. They are not stopping. I think the other release was maybe not even 2 weeks, right? Because I have been testing the previous week almost every day. But yeah, this thing, I heard about it, I read about it. Have you read anything about this thing?
I just heard about it. Not.
No.
I haven't read anything.
Okay, I heard the rumors that this would be one of the most dangerous models so far. They had to make a censorship in order to, when you ask something like
What is the new
chemical
model?
stuff,
Okay.
or when you ask things about cybersecurity, it's like super advanced. But let's see.
Does the design use Fable as well?
As far as I know, yes, but your design system examples. Ta-da! Here.
I'm thinking. Can you create a award-winning landing page for Rolls-Royce Spectre Series 2?
Very specific.
Just the landing page with single section.
Here we go. Your session limit reset. Extra usage. Okay.
I have some top-ups.
I bet you do. Okay.
Up until now, they all gone.
Hero imagery. Abstract, probably.
No, decide for me. That's
Yeah,
what
okay.
we want to see.
We don't have one.
Midnight. How much motion?
Cinematic. This is what I like about cloud design, is asking you all these questions.
Just one fully polished.
Yes. Portfolio clients. No. Client
Personal?
page? No. For our YouTube video tutorial. Go, go, go. After our third trial, let's see if it's going to work.
Third or fourth?
Third or fourth, I'm not sure, but like we tried many stuff. But they will obviously see only this one, or
Maybe.
the one that we decide later on.
That I leave it to your director's cut.
What I learned from cloud design so far is it's great if you have something on mind. Let's say that you try somewhere like Google Studio, you have something almost like a blueprint, and then you give that HTML and give the art direction. It's at that time it's doing amazing job. But right now what we are doing is pure lottery. It might do a good job or bad job. The initial video that kind of went viral, we were all impressed, but then we find out that it was basically repeating the same designs over and over again for other contexts as well.
Do you remember the model that it used at that time? It what was it? Mid-April?
4.7.
4.7.
Yes, because we did that video in the morning, 4.7, and they release Claude design at night. What's going on? Atmosphere.
This is cool.
Okay.
I go with this. Stars. That's right.
Put many stars. Poetic line, where silence outshines the stars. Okay.
Really good, no?
Yeah, like we only, but there's no imagery. It's something like.
Let's see
Can we look
if I can find the image.
images? Okay. Can we look also full screen, John? I guess share. The past time you have done it. Yes. Good. But we said award winning. Do you think will it win any awards?
If they push enough PR, yes.
No, I'm talking about the Fable. What will you say?
Here is an image. Can you add it to this design in a way that you think and can make it work? Did you see the car in person?
Maybe in London, in central London.
I seen a few, like the proportions and everything is quite on
And there
point.
is one more called, is it Ghost?
There is Ghost, there is Phantom.
Hmm.
I think there is Dawn as well. I don't know if they still do it though. There is Cullinan, the SUV.
In central London, I see something massive. There's an update.
Coming. I kind of want to do a deep dive on how it makes this change. How much it changes on these files.
No idea.
Because this almost like looks like it already has a container.
Yeah. And you cannot scroll, right?
No,
Can you
I
click
just
somewhere? No. Interesting.
Did you notice the options, the tweaks bit? Look, there is the atmosphere, the starlight tint.
Mm-hmm.
Then there is the count of stars. It allows us to do. I was expecting it to
Blend it a bit.
blend it, like remove the background, maybe
You have so much expectations.
maybe add some sort of 3D element or something. I mean, you can't find the image of this.
But I don't think that this is the true potential. I think the true potential is if you give a guidance, something like, this is the website, how can you make it, let's say, pop art? How can you make it cartoonish and things like that? And try to see from that angle. This is okay, some typography and some stars.
By the way,
What's the
an
point?
excellent detail is that Rolls-Royce has this feature which they are famous for. They have these shining stars in the car.
On their car, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And look, you see the animation on the stars?
Yeah.
There is
Is it
subtle,
the
but
same?
there is
Yeah.
you can add them dynamic as well. You can make them dynamic as well.
As far as I know, the car also have that. It is like the lights are going up and down. They have some sort
They pretty much do anything if you let them to it and if you can afford it. There is no limit on making a Rolls Royce. But yeah, like if you would have give a better photo,
Mm-hmm.
probably it would blend in better. Let's play with it tonight, tomorrow,
Mm-hmm.
and maybe we revisit the Fable.
Yeah, this was basically like a quick check what we can
First
do with
reaction.
it. So we did a couple of tests. I'm not sure if we are going to release them, but this thing is like for a test that we might share, and then we can do another part of the video as well. I told you guys not to panic and test it, right? We panicked and the video get collapsed. All the examples get nuked. Anyhow, we tested.
We tested, and while we were speaking about the existing Rolls-Royce range, I think it cut off. The
Yes.
storage was full, or what happened?
Storage was full.
Okay, so we needed an outro. This is the outro.
This is the outro. So thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next one.